So, first of all, I have written 1 to 60 squares, and after that 15 to 19 tables. I've revised this, and after completing this, I've revised the fraction to percentage. Today, I have done the editorial from the YouTube from Varun Chitra sir class. I didn't study much today, so after editorial, I have done only revision of the previously done magazine. This is current affairs magazine, and I have done only half the national news and more visits and conferences. So this is for it today.